Hey techies, this is Abbas from Coders Yard. In this video, let's gonna talk about dictionary in Python. So before that, this channel is all about programming tutorials and tech related stuff. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So what is a dictionary in Python? So dictionary is a collection data type which has a key value pairs, and the keys must be unique, that is you cannot repeat the keys, and it is mutable, that is you can change the values of the dictionary but you cannot change the keys because keys are immutable. It is unordered, that is you cannot follow the indexing and slicing operation inside a dictionary. Imagine a dictionary like a phone book where you have all the names of the person and their phone numbers. So to fetch a phone number you have to use their name, right? So likewise, to fetch a value in a dictionary you must use a key. Now let us see some hands-ons for dictionary. Friends, now let me tell you how to create a dictionary in Python. I'm using a variable called myDict, and to create a dictionary you must use curly braces, and inside this you must specify the key value pair. So I'm mentioning the key here, so name, and to split the key and the value you must use a colon in between them. So name is my key and value is Abbas, and to split the key value pair you must use a comma, and my second key value pair is channel and code is yard. Language is Python, right? So language colon Python. So this is how you create a dictionary in Python. So to print this, it is super easy. Just use a print statement and mention the variable name. So my date. And you see the dictionary is printed. So this is how you create a dictionary and print it. So now let me show you how to access the element inside a dictionary. So to access an element inside a dictionary, it is similar to a list. That is, we must mention a square brackets. Instead of mentioning the index value here, you must mention the key here. So I'm mentioning the key as name. So it will return the value with a specified key here. So if I run the script and see, it has returned the value Abbas because I have mentioned the key as name here. You can also use a get function which is inbuilt for dictionary. So let me show you that. So dot get of, so inside this brackets you have to mention the key here. So I'm mentioning the language here, and see it has thrown out Python, and this is how you will access the elements inside dictionary. So now let me show you how to update a value in dictionary. Since dictionary is mutable, we can update the values inside dictionary. So let me show you that. I want to change the language as Java here. So my dict of, you must use the square brackets here. It is similar to a list that I mentioned before. Inside the square brackets you have to mention the key here. So language and value as Java. Now let me print my dictionary and run it. And see the value is updated inside the dictionary. Now let me try something different. That is my dict of media is equal to YouTube. So I don't have a key called media inside this dictionary. So will it throw me an error or not? Let me check it. And see, it has not thrown an error. Instead it has updated a new key called media and value as YouTube inside the dictionary. And that's awesome, friends. You can update your values even like this. Now let us see some operations in dictionary with some examples. So, and the keys function will return all the keys that are inside the dictionary. So let me show you that. And see, it has written all the keys, that is name, channel and language. So similar to this, the values function will return all the values inside a dictionary. So let me show you that. Now let me run my script. And see, it has written all the values, that is Abbas and Codesr and Python. So there is a function called items. This items function will return a dictionary as a tuples inside a list. So let me show you that. And see, instead of a key value pair, it has returned as a tuples inside a list. This is how it works. Now let us see what is a set default function. So this function will return a value with a specified key. If that key is not exist, you can insert a key with a specified value. So let me show you that. Set default of. Now I am mentioning a key here. So name, and it will return a value. And see, it has written the value of the specified key. Now let me mention a key which is not present inside this dictionary and add a value to it. So let me show you that. I don't have a key called age. You can mention the value by adding one more parameter. So 21. So age is my key and 21 is the value for it. So now let me print my dictionary. And see, it has inserted the key and a value to the dictionary. Now let us see what is a pop function in dictionary. So the pop function will remove an element with a specified key. So I'm removing the language here. So let me run the script. You can see here the language has removed from the dictionary. So now let us see what is a clear function. As mentioned in the name, the clear function will clear the entire dictionary and return the empty dictionary. So let me show you that. And see, the entire dictionary is clear. So now let's summarize these data structures, that is list, tuple, set and dictionary. So list is mutable, that is you can change the values inside a list, and it is ordered. It follows the order, so you can perform indexing operation. So tuple is immutable, so you cannot change the values inside a tuple and it follows the order. You can also perform indexing and slicing. So set is unordered, you cannot perform indexing and slicing operation there, and it is mutable, so you can change the values inside a set, and set contains only unique elements. So dictionary is like a key value pair and it is mutable, so you can change the values inside a dictionary. So let's stop it here. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching this channel for more Python videos.